HTML unordered lists. The HTML UL tag defines an unordered, bulleted, list. An unordered list starts with the UL tag. Each list item starts with the li tag. The list items will be marked with bullets, small black circles, by default. Unordered HTML list. Choose list item marker. The CSS list style type property is used to define the style of the list item marker. It can have one of the following values. Nested HTML lists. Lists can be nested, list inside list. Note: a list item li tag can contain a new list, and other HTML elements, like images and links, etc. Horizontal list with CSS. HTML lists can be styled in many different ways with CSS. One popular way is to style a list horizontally, to create a navigation menu. Chapter summary. Use the HTML UL tag element to define an unordered list. Use the CSS list style type property to define the list item marker. Use the HTML li tag element to define a list item. Lists can be nested. List items can contain other HTML elements. Use the CSS property float left to display a list horizontally. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.